Hey guys, what's up? So, today we're showing top best jerseys 5, 7, 12, 13, and 14. The first week's called What to Sue Tools. And what this week does is a library for what to sue and WhatsApp tweet. This week's called App Hub for Cydia. And it's pretty much just App Hub for Cydia. This week's called App Percent. I guess it gives you the app percent, while it's downloading. This week's got App Activate. It's not activate actions without tapping on app's icon. This is called App Update Manager. It's an old tweak. This is called Frame. Bring your iDevice to life with true video wallpapers. This is called Spring Cuts. Run shortcuts from the Springboard. Allows you to run iOS shortcuts from command lines. This is called No-Tie Cut or No-T Cut, and run shortcuts using push notifications. This is called Power Cuff. Exposes access to the hidden power throttling modes for better battery life. This is called Power Cuts. There's also a tweak called Power Cuts Action Pats. Passive actions for power cuts. And what this tweak does is a library which allows tweets to provide new actions through the Shortcuts app. Also comes with some cool additions. This is called Add to Folder. Easily move apps to your folders. Is it a pain to move apps from folders? Oh, yes it is, guys. Like every time you try to put in a folder, it's time to go to the next page, it kicks another app out. It's actually more of a pain than it needs to be. Just add an app to a folder. This is called Video BG. As a button to the Photos app allows you to take a screen recording and add to your iPhone frame. Supports iOS 8 to 14. It's actually what I use to actually edit some videos sometimes. It's actually really amazing. This is called Video Swipes and swipe gestures for video players. This is called Don't Want to Sleep Now. Easy unlock device while it's asleep. This week is called Quick Prefs. Quickly access settings preferences from the 3D touch menu. This is called Quick CC Dismiss. Quickly dismiss Control Center from expanded modules. This tweak is a Springboard theme. It's called I Heart Music. A first simple theme I created with Winterboard. This is called Pancake. And interactive dismiss gestures on the whole screen. Also mentioned with Frame, modern video wallpaper hub for iOS 13 and 14. This is called Easy Airplane Disabler. Turn off airplane mode directly from the alert. This is called Auto Lock ETS and Force Auto Lock Device. This is called Auto Lock Toggle CC Support, compatible with iOS 11 to 14. You can turn off or on or off auto lock from the control center. This is called Backrunner. My favorite tweets. Of course, it's iOS 13 and up. You can background your apps, so you can pretty much keep apps open in the background, even you can keep apps open as in if you're in the app, even though you're not in the app, or even if your device is off, not completely off, but if you press the button just to make your device sleep, where it's just the off button, not like fully turn off. You can also have apps still open, even though your phone screen is not even on. This is called No Tie Vibe, and know if you have a notification without looking. So hold power button or other gestures. Know if an important notification is pending. This week is called Cylinder. Supports iOS 4 to iOS 13. Paired with CarPlay, SETI, home screen, icon animations. Currently there are 45 icon effects. This is called Melior, and it's beautiful, highly customizable volume HUD replacement. This is called Dune. So, Dune. Supports iOS 11 12. Adds a new dark look into iOS elements, banners, notifications, widgets, folders, and dock and more. This is called Evanesco, and supports iOS 8 and 10. Named after the invention of spell HP, so make sure I cut the spear after a defined time of inactivity. Perfect for privacy and putting some focus on your wallpaper. This is called Snowboard, and it's one of the best theming tweets you guys can get. Supports iOS 7 and up. So if you want to theme your device, this is one of the best tweets for that. This is called Flotation. This is called Floating Dock for iOS 11 12. iPad-like dock for iPhone. This is called Reprovision or Reprovision Reborn, and keeps apps signed after 7 days. Paid developer account is required for this package, so you can always have your jailbreak and app signed if you use Unc0ver or Torrent or Electra or wherever you guys use, or Odyssey, or If you use Checkra1n, obviously you have to use a computer, but if you use an app-based jailbreak, then you can keep it signed and not having to get the app again when it's signed by a third party. You can just sign it yourself. You can use it on your device and without needing a computer at all. And next week's called Jellyfish. Modernize your lock screen. This week's called Supercharge. Supercharge PV for jailbroken devices. And last week is called Audio Mits, and you can play 2 or more audio sources simultaneously. So guys, thanks for watching. Catch you next one, and peace.